Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up from a nap, so I'm like still a little red and fun. But I needed to film this video today. A couple things. I have my washer and dryer on, doing some laundry since it is Sunday. And then if there's any talking portions of this that you hear loud music, our neighbor across the street likes to sit out on his porch and listen to his music. So hear that, that's what's going on. So for today's video, I wanted to work on cleaning specific areas of my kitchen. So I think for today, I'm going to just do the drawers. I don't know if I'll do every single drawer. I might, except for like our junk drawers, because I'm more looking to take everything out, vacuum it, wipe it down. And our junk drawers aren't really junk drawers. They're kind of organized, so I'm not too worried about those. I might take everything out. I haven't decided yet. But my main focus is these that are right in front of me. This is where we keep like our silverware and all of our stuff like that. Those really haven't been messed with a lot, so I really want to get those clean. I want to take all the organizers out, wipe them down before I put them back in. So let's go ahead and jump into it.
Nothing of what I feel is real, but fuck, I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just a crush, crush, crush. I know it's just a crush, crush, crush. You said hi and I thought, here we go. Can you tell?
I'm just going to be spraying the drawers down with some Method Anti-Bag. And then for the organizers, I'm going to wipe them down with a damp cloth and then dry them out so I can put them back. See, you know, I thought that as I was spraying it, I think this is one that I need to spray the rag with because it's like one of those really thin bottoms.
Sober, never realized my friends went home. Suddenly you're all I need. The situation that gets me frustrated, it's all in my head. I fall in love way too easily. I always need to remind myself, nothing of what I feel is real. But fuck, I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just a crush. Crush, crush. It's just a crush.
rid of these. I don't really like this. I don't really use it. And I like to use my cookie scoop, but this came with an Aldi reusable cupcake liners to help scoop like cupcake batter in. I'm gonna see if my sister wants to keep it, and if not, we'll just donate it. Now, this is our spice drawer, obviously. I'm going to take everything out of this and set it on the counter. Wipe everything down. I know I have some seasonings like this one that's kind of open and gone everywhere. And then I'm also checking everything for expiration date so we can get rid of stuff that is expired. So I'm gonna take this stuff out and then we'll clean.
You told me there'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Seems like we're back on stop but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. There are other ways and other reasons, but only one that cuts to pieces. So why we tryna hide from trust when we could just leave? We fade, but we're better than that. Yeah, we're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Seems like we're back on stop but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Seems like we're back on stop but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna oversleep in your shirt 'cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know, there is power in ordinary love, ordinary love. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid and take a leap of faith. It doesn't have to be hard.
really don't do much with. Like as you saw, we have to do dishes. So once dishes are done, that's the pile behind me. Once dishes are done, our rectangular Pyrex and storage containers go in that bottom drawer. I think I'm gonna leave it at just doing these for today. They hadn't been really messed with. Honestly, probably maybe since we moved here. Well, no, because I have switched out some of the organizers in here. But it's just been a while, and I know the drawers like in our island. I think my sister just kind of rearranged those a couple months ago. And I really wanted to get our spice drawer cleaned out. These are really the only things in there that were expired. So honestly, we didn't have a lot. The only thing I think we need to repurchase like now is the chili powder and maybe the baking powder. We don't use baking powder that often, so we might not need that one. But the chili powder for sure, I do need more of that. And then we're just, like I said, I'm gonna get rid of these 2 items as well. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. I really wanted to get this top drawer just a little bit better organized, so our knives and stuff aren't just kind of thrown in there like they were. So I mean, it looks a little bit more cluttered with the organizers, but I like it because it's more organized. This is probably a really quick video, which it was just something that I wanted to tackle today, and I figured I just might as well film it. So if you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel before you leave. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime that I post a video. Right now, my posting schedule is every Wednesday and then every other Monday. I don't think I have anything else to say, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.